Alright, so in this video, I'll show you how to change your address on USCIS in 2026. If you've moved recently and need to update your information, this is very important to keep your immigration records accurate. Yeah, so let's go step by step. First, open your browser and go to the official website of the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services. Always make sure you're using the official site for security. Now sign in to your USCIS online account. If you don't have one, you may need to create it first before updating your address. Once you're logged in, go to your account dashboard. Look for the section called My Profile or Account Settings. Now find the option that says Change Address or Update Address and click on it. This is where you can edit your current information. Next, enter your new address carefully. Make sure every detail is correct, including street name, apartment number, city, and zip code. After that, review the information one more time before submitting. Small mistakes can cause delays or issues with your case. Now submit the update. USCIS will process your new address and update it across your records. In some cases, you may receive a confirmation email or notice that your address has been successfully changed. And that's it. Your USCIS address is now updated, and all future correspondence will be sent to your new location. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple guides like this. I'll see you in the next one.